Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy method to get unlimited coins on TikTok using the TikTok++ app on both iOS and Android devices. TikTok++ is an app that offers features like free followers, the ability to view private TikTok profiles, and of course getting unlimited coins. For this video, we'll focus specifically on unlimited TikTok coins. First, let me show you that it actually works. As you can see, I have already used it and acquired an insane amount of 16,500 coins. Now let's get into the tutorial. I'll first guide you through the process on an iPhone, and then we'll switch to Android. To get the TikTok++ app on your iPhone, you'll need to make a few changes to your settings. In the General section, ensure that your background app refresh is turned on. This feature allows apps to refresh their content in the background, so keep it enabled for Wi-Fi or both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, navigate to the battery settings and disable the low power mode. This mode is indicated by your battery percentage turning yellow. By doing so, you'll prevent any potential issues with the app's performance. Lastly, open the App Store and confirm that automatic downloads is enabled. This ensures that the app will be automatically downloaded once it becomes available, without any additional effort on your part. With all the necessary settings adjusted, you're almost ready to get TikTok++. Let's proceed with the next steps. Open your internet browser and visit appinjects.com. On this website, you'll find various modded apps, and our main focus is TikTok++. Use the search bar to locate the app by typing TikTok++. Once you find TikTok++, click on it, and then press the Start Injection button. The injection process may take a while, so please be patient. After the injection is complete, wait a couple of minutes for the installation of TikTok++ to begin. Now for Android users, the process is really easy. You just need to make a small change in your settings. Locate the battery saver option and disable it. This ensures that your device doesn't restrict the performance of TikTok++. After that, the remaining steps are quite similar to those on an iPhone. Open your internet browser and just like before, navigate to appinjects.com. Use the search bar to find TikTok++. Once you find the app, click on the option that says Start Injection to initiate the process. Now simply wait for the injection to finish. I have personally tried TikTok++ on Android, and it worked perfectly. If this method worked for you, please share it with your friends. Give this video a like, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to stay tuned for future updates. Peace out.